Cosmos, it's raining, honey. I just seen you out here. Baby cat, oh my goodness gracious. Look at you. You are definitely a mini fridge, honey. Cosmos, you a mini fridge? Oh, honey, why aren't you in your cat house, my love? My love, you're supposed to be in your cat house. Honey. Honey, you look cold, baby. Oh, that's why I got you that cat house. You need to go in there. It's insulated, honey. It'll keep you warm if you go in there. Your natural body heat will warm it up, baby. Cosmos, I know you hear me. Cosmos, why, honey? Why, baby? You poor thing. You poor thing. You look so frozen. Honey, why? Oh, so rainy, my love. So rainy. Cosmos, I have to go defrost your food. It's extra cold today, so it's probably going to take 25 minutes for it to defrost. I don't know. Maybe I'll put 2 blocks out. I love you, Cosmos. I love you. Cosmos! Honey.